Being always connected in the modern world today actually brings a feeling of isolation. This modern technological advancements was made to keep us more connected to our loved ones. But now it is even making us disconnected and isolated from our loved ones. We did not evolve to be connected with so many people within a short period of time. Back then, we would usually have our tribe, and we are always amongst our family members within a certain period of time. We mark their faces, we master their emotions, and we interact with them with love. But now, with the advent of modern technology, most especially social media, we are more disconnected from our loved ones than ever. We have the advantage of associating, of interacting with thousands of people within the twinkle of an eye. We could send messages to a whole lot of people. We could get messages, we could get notifications, we could get validation, likes, shares from a large number of people within a short period of time, which is unusually abnormal. So the more reason we are even more isolated, because social media could actually determine how you feel day by day. The content you see today can determine your level of happiness for the day. The reaction of people from social media content could determine your level of happiness for today. Without even real human interactions, you let social media determine how you feel today. And then you are even more isolated from your real loved ones that are around you because you are carried away by the validation of social media. Instead of having real life human conversations with people around you, your loved ones, your family and friends, your partners, you feel it's better to get that validation from social media likes and comments. Do you now see that with social media, you are even becoming more disconnected than connected? Social media had made it very easy to have a large number of interactions that the brain cannot handle. And it gives you a feeling of not being fulfilled, not being satisfied, not being connected. And then you rely on social media apps for your happiness and for social validation. Back then, we would usually get validation from our family and friends. We usually get validation from our small tribe of not more than 5 or 10 people. We know them very well. We interact with them day by day. We build that connection and bond with them. But with social media apps, you don't even need to build that much connection and bond. You could just like someone's post and the person gets validated. You could just send a message to someone and the person feel loved. So these modern devices does not build in-depth connection, does not build in-depth social interaction, does not build in-depth relationships. There is shallow validation, no real connection, no real human interaction, no real emotional validation, just likes, comments, and shares, which are not actually real connections, just social media connections. But what can we do? The world is advancing. You can make your own life better and be more happy spending time with your loved ones without validation from social media, without validation from people who you do not even know, without validation from people who do not even care about you. You get that love, you get that connection, you get that bond from your loved ones around you, from people who really care about you, and you spend more time with them and spend less time on social media. Here, we are not against modern day devices. We are not against modern day interaction. We are not against social media and modern day technological advancements. We are only against doing it excessively. Being a primal human being does not mean you are rejecting modern development, but you're actually rejecting modern excess and bringing back your primal human nature, restoring human balance. That is why we are here. If this message actually resonates with you, if this message relates to you, then you are meant to be here. Welcome to the tribe.